How to change name servers in Google Domain. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up Google Domains, and once you're logged in, you'll find My Domains at the top right corner of your screen. Just click on it, and from here you'll be headed over to My Domain, and then you can see your existing domain right here on the dashboard. Click on your domain name, and then right beside it, it has the Manage button. Click on Manage. You'll be taken directly to the domain overview. Once you get here, just scroll down a bit and find the DNS settings at the left side of your screen. Click on it. Once you get here, right besides there, you have the custom name servers. Just click on that. You should be able to find the name servers right here. So all you have to do is copy your name server, and then you can just paste it here. Do the same thing, copy it, and then paste it right here. It's just an example, so it's not going to work, but don't forget to tap on the save button. But before you do that, you could also add another name server by clicking on the plus icon, then click on save. Now, one thing you have to note is that your domain isn't using these settings, so all you have to do is click on the switch to these settings. But obviously, these are not real domain names, so I'm not able to switch back to these settings. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.